Hi class, we do have some new concepts for math. Group 1, let's start with you guys. It's pretty simple. Lesson 96 is rounding to the nearest dollar. In order to round to the nearest dollar, you simply look at the amount of money you have, and let's just say we have $4.39. You want to look at your cents. If it's less than 50 cents, you round down. If it's 50 cents or more, you round up. Simple as that. And you're just going to round this number to the next whole number if it's going up. If it's going down, you keep it at this number and you put zeros at the end. So $4.39 rounds to $4. That one is pretty simple. All right, and then in lesson 97, multiplying 3-digit numbers. All right, so we follow the same concept as multiplying 2-digit numbers. All right, just that we have an extra number to multiply. For example, if I have 234 times 4, remember, you take your bottom number and multiply it times everything at the top. So first we go in the ones place. 4 times 4 is 16. You put your 6 in the ones place, carry the 1. Then you say 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1. Whatever you carry, you always add. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry your 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And you get $936. All right. So that's it for group 1. Pretty simple. Group 2, you do have new concepts also. In lesson 81, you're learning about multiplying 2-digit numbers. All right. So whenever we're multiplying 2-digit numbers, this is a new concept for you. If we have 24 times 2, the first thing you're going to do is multiply 2 times the number in the ones place. All right, 2 times 4 is 8. Then you're going to multiply this 2 times the number in the tens place. 2 times 2 is 4. Whenever multiplying, you always multiply the bottom number times everything at the top to get your answer. Okay? And then in lesson 82, is called fair share. All right, so one thing you need to remember is whenever you hear double, that means you're going to multiply times 2. All right, whenever you hear double, that means multiply times 2. But whenever you hear half, that means divide by 2. So you'll see in your lesson that you have a dozen of eggs. A dozen of eggs means you have 12 eggs, 6 in each row. Okay, that picture shows you double of 6, which would be 6 times 2 equals 12. And it also shows you half of 12. Half of 12 is 6. All right, remember it's opposite. Multiplication and division is opposite. All right, there's 2 ways you can write a division problem. All right, one way you can write a division problem, you could say 12 eggs, 12 divided by, this is a division sign, divided by 2. Equals 6. All right, that's one way to write a division problem. This is a division sign. Okay, another way to write a division problem is, I call it a little house. And so you draw a little house like this, a line in front, a line across the top. You put the big number, 12 eggs, inside the house. And whatever you're dividing by, let's say we're going to half, which means divide by 2. We're going to put that on the outside of the house. Okay, so 12 divided by 2. And our answer is going to go right here over the ones place, which is 6. All right, so remember, double means to multiply times 2. Half means to divide by 2. All right, thank you. Y'all have a great week.